excited? Okay.
Oh, this one, it is like Tiago's little. He made this.
Yeah.
Mom, we don't need a jumper because it's going to be hot.
No, it's a bit cold.
I don't need one.
Do you want me to dress you up, Zach?
No, we don't need a jumper.
No. Where's the man? No, thank.
No, we don't need a jumper because it's going to be hot.
Okay, hurry up.
Just put it in his bag if it's in case it's cold. I'll
Okay.
just put it.
Si Zach tsaka si TJ ayaw nila nagpapabisa. They are very
Oh, this is
independent
still
kids. When it comes sa sa pagpapalit, pag-change. Holly, what are you eating?
Oh, is TJ doing this?
Yeah, good boy. Kuya. Yeah, Kuya is helping you
You
because
have the date to ya. But can I write his name?
you can't go because
No, why's your name in what time does he?
Saka is 9:30, you're 8:45. So
What about Jill?
yeah.
Jill? Now have a look on the mirror.
Huh?
I want to have a look on the mirror. That way.
Wait for Kuya. Are you excited?
Yeah, button. Yep, 1, 2, 3.
Andiyan na si Holly.
Oh, no.
Time check is ano na ba ang oras? Wala pang 8.
Mom, is that Timmy Garden? I'm going back to
Yeah, okay. Are you so excited, Zach? You look so excited. Look. Yan, kukunin niya na yung gel, yung brush. Babasahin niya kasi. Okay, thank you. Okay, come on. Holly, come here. Holly, come on. No, Holly, come on. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, October. Lagi mo sinasabing September. October, yes? October 26. Is it October 26, Kuya?
I might check.
Oh, I'll check.
Baby, your body got me so confused. I like the way it moves. I'll show you something good. Let me get close to you, close to you. I lost my mind. I want you to be mine. I'm hypnotized when I look in.
It's Zachary first.
Timmy!
Yeah. Kami ng bahay. Si Zach 9:30 pa yung pero gusto niya nang dalhin yung bag niya. So, pagkatin namin kay Tio. Uwi kami ng bahay. Kasi ang time ni Zach at saka ni TJ magkaiba. Si TJ 8:45 ang ano niya eh. Ang class niya, si Zach 9:30. It will be better kung pareho sana ang time nila. Kasi hindi. So yeah, we're walking now. Ayun yung Zach,
Hi.
are you excited?
Yes.
Kitang-kita
cold
naman
out
excited.
here?
I know, you have to wear your jumper.
When
Right.
I do the chimney.
Yeah. Kasi babalik pa naman kami, so.
When I play outside.
Lagyan,
Mom.
pasutin ko siya ng
When I play outside, I will put my jumper on.
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna put your jumper on when we get back home, okay?
No, I
Yeah.
said when I do it after I will put my jumper on.
We are outside and you don't have jumper.
No, Mom, when at 10 I will put my, when I go outside,
Di ba ang daldal niya? Oh, ang daldal niya.
I will put my jumper on.
Okay. Okay, si Kuya nagbabike. And by the way, may deal silang dalawa. Ayun si Kuya nagbabike. Sabi ni Sak, you ride my bike.
Mommy,
Ayun naman, daldal naman
I
siya.
don't want to ride back there. I want to ride back here and go there.
Okay. Let's fix your bag. Okay. So, si Sak ang nag-deal sa kuya niya. Sabi, okay kuya, you can ride my bike on the way to your school. Then, I ride my bike on the way back.
Oh, touch me.
Oh, you're freezing.
But you're freezing too.
So, yeah, yun. Si Sak na nakaisip. Hindi ko lang kung saan niya yung nakuha ang
Shoot the
idea.
red
Pero,
shot.
na-amaze ako nung sinabi niya yun. Okay, Sak.
Whose bus is that? Tracy.
Crazy. The school bus. Yun yung school bus. Kami hindi namin kailangan ng school bus kasi malapit lang naman yung school. Hey, come on. See you. I'll see you. I love you. Okay. Bye, Kuya. I love you. Okay, let's go, Zach. Let's go back home. Pabalik na kami ng bahay. Okay. Kasi 9:30 pa yung 9:30 pa yung pasok ni Zach.
Isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come over and start a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance now.
You're so tired. You have a rest because we're gonna walk again. Going to your kindy. So yeah, dito naman sa bahay guys. Magpapahinga lang kami. Holly! Hi Holly! How was our walking, Holly?
We are on the Tindy, then I should take a pop.
Si Kuya at school?
No, not true.
Oh yeah, kindy?
No, they take out the date.
Oh, at the Kuya teacher. Hi Holly! Hi Holly! What are you eating, Baba? I miss you, Zachary.
You don't miss to your TJ too?
Of course, I'm gonna miss both of you. Wala yung car seat dito ni Sophie. Siguro, dinaanan ng asawa
Don't
ni
really pick
Kylie.
it up. My pack's back on the floor.
Where's your backpack?
Yeah.
Ito na yung school.
Are you gonna pick me up later?
Yeah, 11:30 I have to pick you up. You're just gonna be here 2.5 hours kasi 9:30 ka na.
Two.
Yeah, 2 hours only. Yeah.
Why? What
Because
TJ number?
what number? Kuya will be in the school all day. So we're here. So let's go.
Okay, here you go. Good. Okay.
Come on, get up. Up, alright. Name on. Wow. Yes. Okay. Okay, go listen now.
My pizza paper.
2 hours later.
Now take my hand, stop a Venom Man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I mean,
I'm so hungry.
Are you? See ya.
See you, Dad.
Are we gonna
Clean up.
Yeah, we're gonna clean up.
Yeah, baby, hold on tight. There's nobody like you in the world. So wait for me, baby, baby, hold on tight. There's nobody like you in the world. So come on, girl, you make me feel this way. There's no one like you, baby girl. So wait for me, baby, baby, hold on tight. Nobody like you in the world. Hold on me, baby. Nobody, no, no, nobody, no, no, nobody like you. There's no, no, nobody, no, no, nobody, no, no, nobody like you. Yeah. Baby, baby, hold on tight. There's nobody like you in the world. So wait for me, baby, baby, hold on tight. There's nobody like you, baby girl. Oh, baby, 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 hold on tight. There's nobody like you in the world. So wait for me, baby, baby, hold on tight. There's no one like you, baby girl. Hold on me, nobody, no, no, nobody, no, no, nobody like you. There's no, no, nobody, no, no, nobody, nobody like you. Yeah, baby, hold on tight. There's nobody like you in the world. So wait for me, baby, baby, hold on tight. There's nobody like you. There's nobody like you in the world. So come on, girl, you make me feel this way. There's no one like you, baby girl. So wait for me, baby, baby, hold on tight.
This is Zach. Hi, Zach.
Hello.
Are you tired?
No? You're a little bit tired, but I'm playing the iPad.
I'm a little bit tired.
In
Yun.
10 minutes, I will put it back. When that time,
Yeah, so 10 minutes lang. Yung reward niya kasi nung pag-vacuum niya, sabi ko, pwede siya maghawak ng iPad for 10 minutes. Right, Zach?
yes,
Yes. And, did you miss me today?
yes,
I did miss you. And thank you for keeping your promise na you're gonna help mommy cleaning after school. Right? Love you, Zaki boy.
I love you.
Okay, say see ya.
Yeah.
Say see you to everyone. Say bye, guys.
Everyone,
Say bye, guys.
bye guys.
Please like.
Please like, play up our channel.
Thank you. Say see ya.
See ya.